Hello, people. This is Tomilaks Naik signing in. I am good and doing good too. What about you, all? Do let me know in the comment section. This is my first video after a long break, and I hope you all like it and encourage me to do more. This video is all about a day when we celebrate Kumar Purnima and other little good moments of my life. So, let's just start. And of course, if you like it, do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you. So the day was Sunday and I got up early and also got ready. Then I went to our rooftop for puja. But hey, can you all just take a moment to appreciate this beauty of nature? That morning was so magical and the view was surreal too. So thanking to the nature for letting us witness such beautiful sights. Look at those clouds. Those tint clouds just felt amazing. Let me tell something about Kumar Purnima. It is also known as the Sarat Purnima. It is celebrated somewhere between September to October on the full moon day of Hindu lunar month of Aswin. It is basically marks the end of monsoon season and winter season steps in. This day is celebrated differently in different part of the country. As an Odia, I am going to tell you how we Odias celebrate this auspicious festival. So, we sip the sun god right at sunrise with a coconut leaf made vessel we called kula in Odia, and in English it is also called as winnowing fan, which is filled with fried paddy we called koi in Odia, and seven types of other elements, which is coconut, baby cucumber and rich gourd, jaggery, ginger, sugarcane, banana, betel nut, followed by aarti. I am putting some altar on my foot because it is a ritual to do so. So after my mom did the Kalas Puja, my part started. So I did the Anjali first, where my sister put those things one by one in my hand, and I received the sun god and offered the same. Here I was doing the same thing to my sister. I have already said, there are seven type of items, so we have to do the anjolis seven times, and here she was doing the same. On this day some people do fasting, but we eat just breakfast kind of food. Then we did bandana. Right after we did our puja, it started drizzling out of nowhere, and then after it started pouring like cats and dogs. The surrounding became so magical with the orange tint, bright sun in the sky, and the wind passing through gently in a very sweetest manner. And here comes to an end of part 1 of Kumar Purnima.